Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Implementing Common Bash Idioms in Python, a tutorial. Introduction. Bash is a powerful and widely used command line shell that comes pre-installed on most Unix-like operating systems. It's known for its concise and expressive syntax. However, sometimes it's more convenient or efficient to implement certain tasks in Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to implement common bash idioms in Python, along with code examples. Running shell commands. In bash, you can run shell commands using backticks or $. In Python, you can use the subprocess module to achieve the same functionality. Bash. Python. String manipulation. Bash provides powerful string manipulation capabilities. Python has similar features using string methods. Bash. Python. Conditional statements. Bash uses if, elif, and fi for conditional statements. Python uses if, elif, and else. Bash. Python. Loops. Bash uses for, while, and do for loops. Python has for and while loops as well. Bash. Python. Environment variables. Accessing environment variables in bash is straightforward. In Python, you can use the OS module. Bash. Python. File I/O. Bash can read and write files using redirection. Python provides the open function for file I/O. Bash. Python. Conclusion. Python is a versatile language that can replace many bash idioms while offering additional functionality and readability. By understanding how to implement common bash idioms in Python, you can harness the power of both languages to automate tasks and solve problems effectively. ChatGPT.